Ay, Rosario bonito.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look for Cinco de Mayo. As you guys know, it's tomorrow, and no, it's not Mexican Independence Day, guys. It's not. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look super easy. I want to incorporate all the colors in my flag because I'm Mexican, and this is the look that I came out with. So it's super easy. Anybody could do this, seriously guys. Super easy. It doesn't even take that long. So yeah guys, so if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, make sure you guys keep on watching, and also remember to subscribe. And if you guys create this look, make sure you guys tag me on Instagram. I will leave my name down here below. And yes, I'm gonna be doing a video as to why I removed my dreadlocks, guys, because I'm pretty sure you guys already like, what the hell, Myra? But yes, this is my hair. It's finally growing. Yes. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And if you guys are gonna drink, please be very, do not drink and drive, guys. Do not drink and drive, because we already know how Mexican parties be getting, and I assure you are not gonna be sober by the end of the night. Anyways guys, I'll talk to you guys Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna start out by taking this brown color from the palette. Yes, please, from ColourPop. I'm not really sure the name, guys. I am sorry. It's because I actually took these shadows out since they are magnetic, and I transfer them over to a magnetic palette, so I don't know the name. I just do not know the name. But yeah guys, so that is the color I'm gonna be using today for my transition color. I'm gonna be taking a darker brown, and I'm gonna be putting that at the outer corner of my eyes, guys. Now I do want to apologize in advance because I just noticed that my freaking lighting was off. It was way off. It was just going white, then all of a sudden it's going back to the regular color. So I apologize, guys. So if you guys see short ass clips here, it's because of that. Seriously. Now I'm gonna be taking a white liner pencil, and I'm gonna be putting that all over my lid. I decided not to use concealer, guys, because I don't know, I just didn't want to work with that right now. I find that a white pencil actually makes your color stand out a little bit more. So yeah, so that's what I did, guys. And plus it's not that messy. It's not that messy. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I am placing that over my lid, and I will be placing color right there. Now I'm gonna be taking this neon green, and this is actually from Urban Decay's electric palette, guys. I don't know the name, but this is from that palette, and it's a like lime green. Yes, lime green. I am gonna be topping this with another green on top, and that is from Urban Decay's, oh my god, I forgot the damn palette's name, but yes, these two shadows are actually Urban Decay's. I'm gonna be taking this green. This is like a shimmery green, and this is also from Urban Decay's. I think it's their Moon something. I'm not really sure, guys. And I'm gonna be putting that on top of the lime green. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone just to kind of make my eyebrows stand out a little more. You know, so yeah, guys, that's all I'm doing right here, and I'm using a very like skin tone color to highlight. So yeah, we are gonna go in with the liquid liner to outline the eyes. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128. I have changed up my foundation recently, but I've gone back to this one because this one's a little bit more tanner. So yeah, guys, so this is what I'm gonna be using today. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Adept Cosmetics Concealer Palette. This is one of my favorite palettes to conceal, to prep, and all that stuff. So I'm going to be using this today to kind of highlight my T-zone, if that makes any sense. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm going to be using today. Next, I'm going to be taking my HD Flawless translucent powder, and this is by the brand Absolute New York. First time ever using this, guys. Let me tell you guys, I am in love with this powder. Literally sets my whole makeup up. It makes it look really, really nice. And what I love about it is that it's freaking affordable. I think I only paid like $3, $3 or $4 for this, but it works so freaking good. Next, I'm going to be taking this contour palette by Wet n Wild, guys. And right here, I broke a damn nail. Literally broke a damn nail. Like, well, I didn't break it because I actually glued these nails. But yes, one of them actually came off at the process of doing this. So yes, guys, I had to fix the damn nail. So I'm just going to be doing a very light contour. Not something so damn heavy, guys. Just decided on doing something very light. Now I'm going to be taking the same palette that I used to contour, but I'm going to be contouring my nose. Something very light, guys. I do have a long ass nose, of course. Long ass nose, big nose. So I kind of tend to make it look a little bit thinner, slimmer. So yeah, guys. So that's what I'm doing right here. To highlight, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter. I think it's a face illuminator. I'm not really sure. And I'm going to be taking a fan brush and applying this over my cheekbones and, of course, the tip of my nose. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go in with lashes. Now these lashes are from LA Splash Cosmetics. I don't know the name of it because my stupid ass threw the damn box away. But yes, these are from LA Splash Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using those today. Next, I'm gonna be taking this white pencil from Italia, and I'm gonna be using this to outline my eyes. Now I'm going to be taking my Milani Baked Highlighter, and this is in the color Coralina. This is a peachy pink color. It's very, very neutral, guys, so this is good for all my neutral girls out there. Next, I'm going to be taking this lipstick from MAC, guys. This one is called Vermilion V Matte. I don't know what collection this is, but I'm pretty sure some French Paris kind of collection, guys. So yes, because the damn name I couldn't pronounce it right, but yes, that's what it's called. Vermilion Matte Lipstick. This is the last product, guys, to complete this look. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.